In this video, we are going to be talking about this breakout of the Bitcoin. We will go over exactly to this critical point of Bitcoin that is trading right now. What will happen for Bitcoin next? We are going to be talking about the Bitcoin's waves of Elliott, the possibility of breaking up or tracing down, why I decided to buy more altcoins here right now, what position we can place, because this line was our critical resistance historical line that we were below it for a long time. And of course, we are going to be talking about the S&P 500 chart and the importance of its critical support zone, that I would invest all my funds in this company if I could be able to continue breaking up this support area sooner. And lots of interesting things that we have to pay right now. Hello guys, and welcome to Crypto News today, where we share our daily analysis that we can assure you more than 90% of that analysis would be correct, because we are a team analyzing crypto market to find best crypto that is possible to pump soon and predict the next movement of the Bitcoin that is important for any crypto trader actually, and most recent and relevant news around the crypto world. So guys, subscribe to me if you would like to bounce your Bitcoins or your funds as well. Let's back to the content and jump quickly straight to the Bitcoin's daily time frame chart. And as we can see, yesterday Bitcoin was able to hit this resistance lines of descending trend, and we managed to hold the price in this position. But before we go over the Elliott wave of this chart and indicate the price action, let me point out, as you know, or you should know, these two box and lines is basically our major support and resistance area. And in fact, as long as Bitcoin is ranging between these two critical levels, actually we cannot say we break whether bullish or bearish. We are neutral. And as you can see, there is a long time that Bitcoin is ranging and actually trading between these two critical area, and we placed long position in the bottom of this box and short over the top of this line of the resistance together in last video. And we discussed we can wait for breaking out of this two critical level, and once it happened, then we try and ride on that trade a little bit more. But the main question here is, what is the next movement of the Bitcoin in this situation? That's why we should draw its Elliott wave. So by looking at Bitcoins on 1 hour time frame chart, as you know, Elliott wave is a 5-wave move in the trend direction. And as we are still trading in the descending trend of Bitcoin, that you can see we had 5 waves here. This is wave 1, 2, 3, and the last one. What will happen after completing 5 waves of Elliott? Basically, we should see 3 waves of correction. So we can expect this is 1 and this is 2, and this one could be the last one. But I think it's not finished yet, because in some theory the 3rd wave of the Elliott is usually longest one. So if the 3rd wave want to still to be long, we can retrace the price to hit this critical resistance line, and we probably expect to see downward movement next, unless if this breakout doesn't want to be a fake breakout. And something that I'm almost sure, in my opinion, we should see another wave down. Anyway, there is 2 scenarios. The first one is that we will reject from here to see the first wave of the descending Elliott and confirmation of bearish market, or we will hit this critical level of resistance again and then the wave downward to this point. And as we said, we are not bullish until we are below this critical resistance line. So our first confirmation of changing the recent long time neutral market to bullish is that this wave 3 first could be the longest wave and continue its price to hit the resistance area. Then again, we can expect also for bullish market to see 1 wave down here. But the second confirmation that we need to become bullish on Bitcoin price chart, that is the wave after wave 3 try to hold itself in the higher low than previous low. So it could be our important confirmation that it doesn't want to be the first descending wave of the Elliott, but also it want to be the 4th of ascending wave of Elliott. So we can see breaking of this critical area will be happen by the last wave of Elliott, that is 5th. But otherwise, if this wave 3 continue its volatility like something that is doing right now, and doesn't want to make long wave at least as long as wave A to see critical resistance again, then we maybe will see the sharp drop of Bitcoin soon that we can predict it's just a first wave of the 5 descending Elliott waves. So this is the place that I think is very good position to buy some altcoin with BTC pair. Why? Before I answer this question, let me briefly tell you guys, because we have to check out the S&P 500 chart for that question too. As you know, we are trading crypto for several years, and you can see our daily and instant huge profit that we and our subscribers are achieving. If you would like, you can also join us, so you will be able to trade like us automatically or manually as you like, with of course more than 90% accuracy and most insane daily profit. So just text admin telegram if you're interested, that its username is written in our public channel that I will link it below, and you can see here. Furthermore, looking at daily S&P 500 chart time frame, we can see, as we expected, S&P 500 is trying to support from here, and as we thought, this is a critical support box of S&P 500 chart. And if S&P 500 continue its downward trend and to be able to break this support area downside, then we could expect to see Bitcoin and market will see worse days. But looking at 4-hour time frame chart, we can see S&P 500 price made a W pattern that is ranging between our two lines of support. That is good signal for us. It's a reversal pattern that alerts us the trend may be going to be changed. But still, we have lower low after the recent low, and we cannot say its downtrend already finished. But the possibility of breaking above this box of the support is more likely, because we already finished the last wave of the Elliott in bigger picture, actually daily time frame charts. So we should have probably 3 correction wave basically after 5 waves of Elliott was completed in the trend direction. So we can expect it to see first wave of this chart will be upward. And you know, this is one reason that I want to buy more altcoin here, because first of all, ascending trend of S&P 500, as you know, can cause crypto market also rise. So it will be good for some altcoins that are basically in their good situation on the term of their technical analysis. So it's our first confirmation to buy some altcoins with BTC pair. And another and most important confirmation is that Bitcoin want to become down, and you know, the strong pressure is from above, and as we talk, we are waiting for another correction downward for Bitcoin, either happen at this point or higher point, no difference. So some altcoins will grow and we will take profit from them. Anyway, if you need some altcoins that can give you good profits soon, you can subscribe to us, because in the next video I'm going to be talk about which altcoin I had already bought, and we will go over exactly to their chart to see how we should manage them. This was our today's analysis on Bitcoin. Thanks for watching. See you.